In this video, I will teach you how to use Notion AI. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it too. To access Notion AI, what you're going to do is type anywhere on your page / and then you're going to see the block menu come up. What you're going to do is type in AI. As you can see, Notion AI will come up and it's going to give you several different options for things that you can do with it. You have different options. You can either translate something. If you're writing something, you can ask Notion AI to continue writing it for you. You can ask Notion a question. You can also ask about the specific page where you're working on, and there are a lot of different things that you can do here. So let's say I want to ask a question. So you're going to go ahead and click on ask a question. And one of the greatest things about Notion AI is that it's not only going to give you answers that it's going to find on different apps or the internet. Notion AI will also try to scan your pages and all the information that you have inside of Notion to give you the most accurate or the best answer. So now we're ready to ask Notion AI for a question. And this is going to work like any other artificial intelligence. It's all about the prompt you use and how well you're able to structure it to ask something to this AI. I'm going to go ahead and ask my question. So let's say I need a blog. So I'm going to ask Notion to write a blog post about productivity, make it 500 words and make it engaging. Once you write your prompt, you can go ahead and type enter, and then Notion AI is going to start literally thinking. As you can see, it's reading all my pages, everything that I have on Notion to create a great prompt and a great answer. So after Notion AI has finished reading all my pages, has understand my type of writing, because that's also one thing that it's going to do, is going to try to talk like you do, which I think it's amazing. You're going to have your answer, and that's it. It's ready to be used in whatever you need it to. Hope that helps.